So I want you guys to come along with me as I make a quick little lunch. I want to try out these items that I found at Publix today and see how they turn out. You guys know how much I love to cook and bake, and I like doing things from scratch. But I wanted to see if someone was in a pinch, or if they were fasting, or if they were changing their diet. Would these items be a good quality product for them to try? So come along with me. We're actually going to bake our grouper burger and then our spaghetti style marinara veggie pasta. Instead of steaming it in the bag, I'm going to cook it on top of the stove in my Pepper Chef pan with a little bit of water and a lid. And then my grouper burger, I'm gonna put it in my copper pan. I'm gonna put a little garlic oil in there, and then I'm gonna put it in the oven on 400 degrees. All right, guys, let's see how this lunch turns out. So it's looking pretty good. It's been in the oven for about 7 minutes, and what I'm going to do is I'm gonna flip it over and let it cook for about 6 more minutes. So after placing the lid on top of this, I put about 2 tablespoons worth of water in here and let it steam on medium-high heat, because of course I'm not like the greatest of fans of the microwave cooking, so I prefer to cook it on the stove top. So in tasting it, it has a good flavor. It kind of gives you the taste of al dente pasta. Now I will add a few herbs and just a little pinch of salt to it. But overall, this is a pretty quick and tasty alternative for anybody who is in a hurry and you are deciding to change your diet, or you're wanting to add more veggies into your life. This was a good alternative if you don't have time to do some of the other processes that some of the other people do. And then of course here is, they call it a grouper burger, but I'm calling it a fish cake. So that's the fish cake. And we're gonna put it all together and have ourselves a tasty lunch of fish and pasta.